Hello there. Nice to see you again.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to tell you about complex numbers today. Complex numbers have a real part and an imaginary part. You know what? You're making me nervous. Stand there. Could you just go hide somewhere?
Wait, are you talking to me?
Yes, you. Just like get out of the way somewhere, because I don't want to see. But it makes me
What
nervous
if I
to have
hide
two
down
of us
here,
here. So
like this?
Okay, good. Stay there. Thank you. Okay. As I was saying, complex numbers have an imaginary part and a... Hey, I see you there. Go away. Complex numbers have an imaginary part and a real part. I see it's written over there on the whiteboard. If you take a real number plus an imaginary number, then you end up with a complex number. Now, the most important thing about complex numbers is if you take a imaginary number like I... Hey, what's wrong with the connection? That last thing I said was really important. Let me rewind it again so you can see it. So if you take I times I squared, you end up with -1. So that's true for any of the imaginary numbers, because complex numbers are made up... Hey, what is this thing? I don't know what this is, but I don't know why this keeps happening. I'm just going to get rid of this. And so it won't happen again. Let me move this over all the way to the... There we go. Now it won't... You know what? Wait a second here. Did you start me in Internet Explorer? What were you thinking? You know what? I got to start a better browser here. Let's see here. Okay. Much better. Okay. Now, back to complex numbers. They have the imaginary part and a real part. But you know what? This has gotten me thinking. I'm having a bit of a philosophical crisis here. You know, maybe you really do need a real teacher. I feel like the imaginary part...
Well, I'm a real teacher.
Yeah, you know what? I'm going to have to turn it back over to you. I don't know if I can do this anymore. So, okay. Back to you. Thanks.
All right. Well, thanks anyway. Hey, excuse me. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to be a distraction. Sorry about that. Actually, you know what? Let me just exit out of this, and then we can... All right, that's a good idea.